Hey, this is Driving with the Myles. How do you pull out of a fast food place? So we're coming up to the edge. The driveways are very narrow. This place is brand new, so you want to be careful. You're thinking about your food. You're thinking about sticking french fries up in your nose, but you gotta be careful, right? Because you're thinking about your food and you're hungry. So you're coming up to the edge of the road. I look left, I look right, I look left. I make sure the food is secure, and then you turn hand over hand into the nearest lane. Turn into the nearest lane, and then you turn out hand over hand. And then obviously the speed limit here is 50 miles an hour, so I'm going to go ahead and get up to about 35, 37, 42 miles an hour, and I'm just scanning the intersection. The light's yellow. Build good habits. Don't run yellow lights. On your DMV test, your road test, if you run a yellow light that possibly could end up turning red, that is failure. Also, I'm behind the stop line, so I lead by example. If you saw the other in-car video, I still have my race pages on, so the oil pressure is down to 27, which is fine. It pops right up. My oil temperature is 197 degrees, and my battery voltage is 14.4, so which is fine. These are my G-force gauges. They tell how fast I'm going, the steering angle of the vehicle. So I'm just looking straight ahead, and you want to aim high. I will do a mirror video. I've had some requests to do that. So obviously I'm just looking around, taking my time, being safe. I'm scanning. I will be making a right turn up here at the light. So 100 feet, a half a block. I'm looking over my right shoulder, mirror, turn signal blind side. You see me scanning back to the left. You have to do this on your road test. I'm looking, I'm scanning, and then you look in the first lane, and then you turn out slowly. That's a pretty smooth turn. Your DMV tester or road tester will look for you to have really good turns. There's a street coming up 100 feet, a half a block. I'm just going to drive through this random neighborhood. So I'm going slow on my brakes, really easy. And then I'm turning hand over hand into the turn, and then I turn out hand over hand. So I'm looking, I'm scanning, I'm taking my time. You always want to take your time in neighborhoods. You always want to look, you always want to scan, and safety is no accident. So I'm just going slow through the neighborhoods. You see me looking left and right because I have the in-car camera, and I turn on my left turn signal. So I want to have a nice smooth stop. I don't want to slam it. You want to remain motionless for 3 seconds, 1001, 1002, 1003, and then I'm turning hand over hand into the turn, and then I turn out hand over hand. Safety is no accident. One of my bosses used to say that, but it really does make sense. I'm going to make a right turn up here. So my blinkers are 100 feet, a half a block. I'm just under 25 miles an hour. I'm taking my time. The temperature is below freezing, so we're not trying to hit black ice and slam into a car. And then I turn back hand over hand out. Good speed control is critical. You always want to look, you always want to be aware, and you always want to take your time. I'm going to go ahead and pull over and give you guys a little summary, a little closing, and then we can just move forward from there. So whenever you're driving, you want to have good speed control. You want to look ahead. You want to be safe through neighborhoods. You have to take your time. I need you to give this a thumbs up. I teach driver's education. This has been Driving with the Myles. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I do appreciate you very much and what you do. Thank you so much.